everyone, welcome back to another Cut Above with Chris. Face shave time, 2 shaves in 1 week on the channel. You would never believe it, would you? Anyway, I'm going to use the same products pretty much as my head shave with a different razor, which is the only DE razor I own in the den at the moment at least. Shave of Heaven, Arctic Mango, same stuff I just used at my head. It was a fantastic head shave and I'm really looking forward to this one. I do have it soaking, I've got a little bit of water in here, there is the tub. Now this is unobtainium, you can't get this anymore, it's no longer produced in Australia, it's no longer made at all. If you can get your hands on some Tallow Shave of Heaven, you will get a fantastic performing shaving soap that competes with the best on the market today. Now I haven't tried them all now because there's absolutely hundreds of them now, so many different formulas, so many different things. I know Shaver Shop, not Shaver Shop, is it? The Club and Ariana and Evans, they just keep releasing stuff always in your face, but in a more gentle approach than some things like Yaki and things like that. So let's get stuck in. I'm going to pour out this water onto my hands and throw it in my face. I've got pretty much 2 days growth, which isn't a lot. I'm just going to dip the knot in the water, shake out the excess. I'm using, as with my head shave, my turn and shave 30mm Whip Dog Boar. It's not a dense knot, it's not going to give you really any scrub at all, but it's so nice to use. And it creates a fantastic lather. It creates enough lather for me generally for 3 passes. We'll soon see in a minute how well it does. But it's the face feel that comes with this brush. It feels almost synthetic really. It's so soft. And that's what I like, really. Mild shavers, soft brushes. I'm not a big fan of heavy scrubbing brushes. It gives me irritation. And aggressive shavers, albeit in the beginning when I started my channel, that's what it was all about. Get the aggressive shavers, get the R41, get the Futur from Merca, get all these really scary, aggressive, bloodthirsty razors. And look, in the beginning, look at that. In the beginning, really for everyone, especially on YouTube, it's about building your audience. Look at that, that's just the lather that's in the tub. And where there's blood, there will be people watching. That is the way our crazy society works. I'm just going to rinse the soap out now and set it to the side. I find if I do this straight away, all I do is just fill the tub with water and just swirl it side to side in a circle. Pour out all the excess and generally you're left with a nice clean puck of soap. Stick it to the side to dry. I normally leave it for 24 hours to 48 hours to dry. And away you go. That's you done. You just put it back in your drawer, pop the lid back on, grab another soap. So today I wasn't actually meant to be working today. I was meant to be off yesterday, today and tomorrow. But I swapped a shift so I can get Saturday the 18th off to play in the Ice Hockey Summer League finals. And so I can go to my wife's works night out on the 18th. So I'll be trying to change my shift on Sunday the 19th as well, which is double time for us. It's good money, so that I can recover. Oh, flicking lather everywhere. I'm just going to clean the handle off just a little bit. Funny, when you have a beard for so long, you forget how much you miss creating a lather. You can see already this is building up to be a nice lather. I'm just going to paint a little bit of water in there. Now, one thing I remember from this camera is that it's in 4K, it's very, very sharp. So when I go close to the camera, you see every single bubble. When I look in the mirror, I hardly see a single bubble. So, the Carve Christopher Bradley razor, it's the only DE razor in my den at the moment, or in my house den. I don't really have a den, but in my shaving collection, this is the only one I have. My Start, or not Start, my Homelight Tiger is actually with Chris Kirchin at the moment, over in Canada, as part of his ongoing venture of trying to find an adjustable razor for Carve. So here we go. I've got a brand spanking new Paul Silver blade in here. It's broke. Oh no, it's still alive. Just dropped my styptic pencil. Nice light touch, look at that. It really is top drawer soap. There's not much of it floating around now. I know there's a few guys out there holding loads of it that were lucky enough to get it. First pass is done. No issues, nothing at all. I don't think I've got any weepers yet. We'll see how we go with the second pass. I'm just going to scoop all that. There we go. So you can see there should be enough in there now for my third and sort of final pass. I can't remember my process. I can't remember if honestly I just can't remember how I do a shave. It almost feels like I'm learning again. I'm not learning the technique of it. But I do feel like I'm having to learn the process again, whether I go left or right. There's pass number 2 done. I'm just going to paint straight on for pass number 3. I remember reading a long time ago about this knot, and some people saying that it's crap, doesn't hold a load, you can't get 3 lathers. I mean, that's 3, comfortably 3 good lathers. This is it's very slick, but it's quite dense as well. You know, I could add a little bit more water in there. that was a pretty damn fine shave. Lovely cooling from the menthol. The scent's actually really nice on Arctic Mango. Like I say, I don't get mango from it, I just get a sort of sweet, fruity type scent, which could be mango. I'm assuming it's mango, it's called Arctic Mango, but I couldn't pinpoint the flavour or the scent of fruit if you just handed it to me. Right, I am just going to just paint around here. I do have a couple of little weepers, which is fine, don't have a problem with that. Right, job done. Cannot really grumble with that. Now I am going to finish off with this, which you might not like, but I'm actually finishing off with the back of it because I find these little razors at the back absolutely superb for just doing this. Because that is it's almost a pet hate for me leaving that bit here. Those little blades on the back of the Gillettes will last a very, very, very long time just doing that. Probably thousands of shaves, to be honest. Right, I'm just going to rinse off now. And we'll finish off with a little bit of, let's go with, let's just go with some peach Thayers. Why not? This is ancient. I've had this for years, like for 4 years. It's actually changed colour. It's probably not even good for you anymore. But from what I remember, I don't think there's a use by date on it. There probably is. Good splash of that for the head. And a good splash for the face and neck as well. And we're ready for the ball. So there we have it. Another fantastic shave from a fantastic soap in Shaver Heaven's Arctic Mango. No longer available, no longer made. You can't get your hands on it. If you do get your chance and it's a tallow base, I would snap people's hands off for a tallow based version. I find it far superior to the vegetal version that Shaver Heaven brought out, which was also a very good shaving soap, but not quite good enough. 30mm Whip Dog Boar, there's still enough soap in there for another lather as far as I'm concerned. 4 passes out of 1 load. People say it's not a great knot, I think it's a brilliant knot. And Milton's handles are second to none, as far as I'm concerned at least anyway. He's up there if not surpassing Wolf Whiskers and all sorts nowadays. The carved Christopher Bradley razor with a brand new Paul Silver blade in there. Excellent, excellent smooth blades, sharp, efficient, smooth. Got 1 weeper down there. Other than that, is that a little weeper there? No. I think that's a pretty good shave, considering that's my second full face shave in over 6 months. Very, very happy with it. Finished off today with some Thayers Witch Hazel Peach scent on the head and the face. And really, I feel pretty good today. You know, I'm tired, but I'm looking forward to my shift, back on afternoon shifts again for a little while. And we'll see how it goes. Stay safe, drive safe, don't drink and drive, and I'll catch you guys next time. Cheers.